Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to recharge the MTN FiberX. So by the end of this video, you should be able to renew your MTN FiberX internet plan if your subscription has finished or expired. And trust me, the process is quite simple. Now, according to MTN, there are actually different ways you can recharge or renew your MTN FiberX internet plan, but the problem is that most of these methods don't actually work. So if you have tried to renew the MTN FiberX using the My MTN app like this one over here, you're going to find out that even after making payment, it doesn't actually work. Most of the time, your money will be sent back to you and you would have no internet to use on the MTN FiberX internet router. I have also tried to make subscription by creating an account on the MTN website and trying to make payments using my FN number, and it doesn't actually work as well. After a lot of research, the only method that was actually able to work out for me is using the USSD option. And for that, what you want to do is to make sure you get your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you have enough amount of money on your MTN number. So if you want to subscribe or renew your subscription for a 25,000 Naira plan, you want to make sure you have up to 25,000 Naira airtime on your MTN number. If it is for the 45,000 Naira plan, you also want to make sure you have 45,000 Naira on your MTN number. For the 15,000 Naira, any plan at all, you want to make sure you have that amount of money on your MTN number. If you do not know how to recharge your MTN number of that amount of money, you can try using any app like your bank app. Just enter your MTN number and then proceed to make that amount of airtime into your MTN number and you're good to go. Now, once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to open up the call app on your phone, and then you want to proceed to dial the following code *461*6#. This is actually the official MTN FiberX USSD code option for renewing your MTN FiberX plan. Once you've done that, you want to just call this number and then make sure you select your MTN number as well, preferably the same number that was used for your MTN FiberX registration. Now, once it takes you to this page, the next thing you want to do is to select on the first option, that is the data only plans. So go ahead and select one and then click on the send button. And now you're going to see this notification. All you just have to do is to proceed to click on yes. Basically, it is letting you know that if you have a pre-existing plan, that particular plan will be cancelled before your new plan would enter. So make sure you do not have any pre-existing plan, then click on one, that is yes, and then click on send. Now, once it takes you to this page, you want to select on your MTN FiberX plan you want to make payments for. As you can see from the page over here, the second option is the 20 Mbps option, and that is not what we want. So you want to enter this input, then proceed to select on the first option, that is one. So cancel this and then make sure you enter one from over here, click on send, and now you're going to see other plans for your MTN FiberX. So here we have the 50 Mbps, the 100 Mbps, the 300 Mbps, and usually people want to make payment for the 25,000 Naira plan, which is the 50 Mbps. You want to select on the input and then proceed to select on the first option over here, then click on send. Now, once you do that, you're going to see that you will be charged 25,000 Naira, and this amount of money will be taken from your already recharged MTN number. So make sure you have enough amount of money on your MTN number. Then you can now proceed to select on the first option, which is to purchase the bundle. Click on the send button and you're good to go. Now, once the payment is done, you're going to get a notification, and usually all you just have to do is to restart your router. You can as well just unplug it from the power source, plug it back, and you're good to go. I've actually done this several times and it works absolutely well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.